So, hi friends. Uh, so this is the chart of Nifty. Okay, 24,300 put. As per this, we can look for a buy at 48. Okay. So actually, at the opening itself, it has moved now. What we have to do is we will have to possibly wait for this level, or we will look at this next level and look either for a buy side or for a sell side. Okay. So we in fact told our subscribers market is not very, it's not going to give you a good trade. Okay. And we mentioned that around 51, 48 to 58. Okay. Bye. Okay. It is now. Let's look at spot. What is spot doing? If you notice the spot, okay. Meanwhile, I'm not very clear whether this, okay. If, please say hi if you are able to hear me clearly and also see the video. Okay, just say hi. Okay, Nifty important sell level. I will just show you. Uh, Look at the box over here. It is below 24,326. Okay, where around this. So right now, according to me, this is in the sell zone, right? And also 306 was an important level. Price is much below that as well. So I'm looking at puts. Okay, I am looking at put side until these two levels are, these two levels for me right now are sell zones. Okay, either I'll look for sell below this 326 or 306. Right now it is below that. My target would be somewhere at 24 to 48. Okay, so I am just putting that to my subscribers. So 24 306 below, I'm looking at target of 248. Okay, market is of course, and the very important thing is market is simply playing on liquidity, and this is our observation on the closing. Market moved here, okay, and it gave a small spike at the closing from 354. It has given 365. Looking at this, many went into thinking big longs are possible. But they never realized that huge liquidity was built over here. People call this double bottom, right? Just played and took out the liquidity. In the first candle itself, the liquidity is taken out, right? Are you able to hear me, all of you? Please say yes if you are able to hear me. And very important concept. How did we determine this? Is something we are working on one strategy, or what do you call uh, uh, pattern of the data, etc., which we had expectation of this level, okay, but we were unable to take the trade because of course various reasons. We now took put buy and then we took a put sell, okay, which is okay. We just given a small profit, that is fine. But just for your information, okay, now that I have drawn the levels, let me just close this indicator. Okay, now look at the hourly chart. 24,620, 268 is next support level, correct? So do you think market will easily break off this level? Not really. But let me tell you, market is trying for this levels and this level. So it'll take time, it'll keep premium. So if you want, you can sell 24,350 call. Okay. Let us see what price is it trading. So now for this, I will just add 350 call. So you will get an idea where to sell. 350 call and then put. Okay. Okay, it is already 78 was a sell zone. I think 78, yeah, somewhere here. 75 to 78 was good to sell. Next level 24,350 call to sell is 54. And the target would be 23. Very safe bet. Your SL, I can tell you, if you sell at 53 or 54, your SL can be 10 points. I think you can fairly keep. Target is 20 points here. Or sorry, 54, 23 or 24 is the target I'm mentioning. So I think this is a very simple trade. If you are keen, you can look at taking that. Okay. So you can watch and are you able to hear me? Please do type yes if you are able to hear me and see the screen and the levels. I am talking about these levels here. If you're able to see this level, please type yes. Okay. So first selling level of 24,350 was this, we have missed. So the next level was 54 or 53. Below this, I'm looking at target of 23. Now, uh, I'm sure many of you looking at call buying or put. I don't know whether you're looking at call buying. You can buy at 23. Yeah. Now, looking at buying input. Okay. This was one level. The other is this level. It is clearly mentioned here. If you can see 24,300 put, buy level is 48. So I'll wait for a rejection at 65 and buy here. In fact, we have bought here at 58 or in this candle here, and we booked around 64 with a SL cost, and then it hit our SL cost. Two half we booked, and then so market is now is kind I'm talking about writing a call. Okay, now we'll see what is happening at 24 300 call. If you're writing 300 call, then your level will be 78. See, I'm not, this is a data-based and OI-based levels. Okay, we have, our friend has done some kind of where we get the OI data levels. Now, give me a minute while I check certain details. So, you can, of course, look at stocks. I think Jubilant. Let me share you two stocks. Let me check which stocks are good and rather which stocks are looking good, I can say. Yeah. Currently, no stocks are really great. Okay. HDFC Life and Hindalco, Axis Bank are pretty fine. And okay, this stock and the it's okay, HCL, just a moment. HL, Supreme Industries, and BSC. Let's look at those. JL, okay. JL has already kind of given spike, but okay, let's put a see how market has consolidated in this range and then given a breakout. I hope you all noticed that. So HL has given a gap up, so it becomes difficult. We can still look at buying when it comes to 5078. Let's look at HDFC Life. HDFC Life is looking good. 537 was a good entry, but don't, yeah, we could have took this. See, price took a nice return or reverse. Okay, I think I'll look at HDFC Life for a call. Okay, let me add here for HDFC Life at 540. Okay, HDFC Life. If you are all able to hear me, please type yes. If you have any queries, please do type your queries as well. So I'm looking at this. Okay, let us see if it has given already an entry. 6.7 was the entry. Okay, 6.7, that's 9. Okay, so I think we will try and enter this. Uh, oh, HDFC Life 540. See, one is market is very clearly flattish. Okay, so 8 point SL 7.7, target around 12. Okay, yeah, because this is my level. 8.35 is a good level. Now see what is happening on the call and what is happening on the put. You will see. See, there is no need to trade hastily. Okay, market is moving up, market is moving down without any logic. This is pure logic with OI based and price action based. Okay, what did I say? OI based and price action based. And I have mentioned very clearly 24,350 call. First level of selling is 77 or 78. Second level is around 54. Okay, target is 23, 25. Okay, Let me mark this red. People will say, sir, I didn't understand, sir. Okay, we'll make this red. Make this also red. In fact, you can see over here. I hope you can see this. All of you can see this. 78. Next level was 39. 78. 39. It is below the next level also. The other next level is 29. Okay, somewhere over here. Okay. Now I'll also show you. Okay, let me mark this in blue because blue is buy, red is sell. Blue is buy, red is sell. This is one more level. So I'll draw a mark blue because the next level would be 87. 86, 87. Okay, great. If this price is able to move sustain above this, yes, I am looking at 87. Great. Thank you. So if you are able to understand or not able to understand, please type your query. Okay. Meanwhile, what is happening in HDFC Life, you would see. I'm as I said, I'm bullish, and my buy level is in HDFC Life is this. Okay. So target I'm looking at around 10 to at least 12. Okay. So let us see HDFC Life. Why am I looking at buying this? Okay. This will be the target. Okay. For this buy, if you want to keep positional, but I'm telling you this is slightly bearish, so it is slightly risky. Okay. But if you're able to keep a sell, okay, the other thing is what you can do is sell for buy equity, sell 550 call. This is very good trade it will be because I'm looking at this target. So equity I'll make profit. Options I'll make money in the premium decay. My position also is hedged. Got it? HDFC Life in equity and short 550 call. Okay, let me even given the quantity. Okay, HDFC Life, what quantity we should buy? I should be sharing. Let me check one moment. 550, no. So oh, just taking quite a 9,000. Okay, 9,000 rupees is the call. 10,000 rupees we have to spend on HDFC Life. Okay, now margin required. Margin required to sell, we'll see in HDFC Life. Okay, okay, HDFC. So you have to buy 1,100 quantity. Okay. So around 89,000. Okay, let's see how much margin it'll take. How much margin is being taken? Okay, how do we check? Okay, this is this thing. Say life. See, when you're buying an equity, the option selling quantity, I mean, the this thing will reduce 540. Say life, one quantity, 550, right? 550. Sell. Okay, but what if I have bought? Okay, otherwise, what you can do is buy 540 call also and sell 550 there. Your position is hedged, you'll make. Let's see what else happens. 540 call, right? I have given the 540 call. Okay, great. We'll see how it happens. How much margin is required? We can increase the quantity. Okay. Or sorry, the buy quantity or sell quantity. Okay, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes, Martin. 5 minutes. So why this is not okay? We'll cancel this. So it is taking a margin of okay. Maximum profit is 6,000. Maximum losses. How much margin? How do we check? Estimated premium margin is 20,000, 21,000. Same with equity, I think. Okay. Now let us look at call. As I said, look at this. 24,350 call and 24,300 put. See what happened. 24,350 put, 65 is next 75. Nifty below 306, we are expecting 250. Right? Right? Now see what has happened. 306 exactly took a sell. Next it is going around 240, 250. So does it make sense to buy a put or buy a call? I think. And this I am not telling. This is given by our indicator. First sell was 326. Okay. Sorry, the first level. Yeah, by this was the levels. Let me add mark this. So I changed it to red. No, Acha, I changed this to red. Okay. See this? Did we say sell around this level? And this is the buy level. So just follow simple and make money rather than confused. And anyway, I'll leave this for you all to observe. See how neatly the price reacted and came down. Correct? Have we not mentioned? Below 306, I'm looking at target of 550. Yes, we have. Just a straightforward trade. What happened to this? This or a buy level. First level we missed. Second level we added. This was shared in the trade. I think at Dipsy Life we may have to take a sell hit. Yeah, that's the reason I was giving this strategy so that we are protected. But anyway, we will take a exit because it's not sustaining this level. So not a real low. Or let us wait and see. The next level is this. Okay, we will exit and we will see if this levels work. Then we will have a. So we don't need to struggle. But this trade has gone very well. Who are sold the call, as I said, where I think should be waiting for this target. Simple, very simple trade. I gave the writing or selling because market was not really clear. Now see how this is working. See here, what is my target? So I hope this trade has been profitable. You can think about booking or a holding or whatever you want. Uh, our side, we are happy with this because we are not taking small quantity. We took huge quantity on this. Uh, and we are also holding this trade. One call buy and one sell. So let's refresh and see how much we are lost we are in. Okay, we will have to probably take a loss. It's okay. We'll happens? 275 is the loss right now. Okay. So my target is almost kind of done on the spot. So obviously we'll have to exit on the, but if you see easy, if you see this, what is the high made? 80, right? So of course you cannot exactly exit at those level, but at least we are happy that our trade is, we were on the right side. We were not stuck on the wrong side. Easily we were on the, we grabbed some point on the PTSD because as per liquidity, market was very clearly looking at this level. This was just this, all this trade we explained already. All this moves BTS, just a trap. Okay. So thank you all for joining. If you're all able to understand the concept, please let me know. If you're not able to, please do let me know as well. Are you able to hear me loud and clear? Are you able to see the levels? Okay. Are you also able to see the levels? Okay, I'll leave this live for you people to watch because HDFC Live is also there. This is the buy level. Let us see. Looks like it may take the SL, but we will wait and watch. So 6.7 is one more level here. Okay, so I'll have to, we'll keep it 7.35. Next level to add if you want. Great. Oh, because it is 6.7. I think, yeah, this should be okay. Though it is asking 6.7, I think this should be fine according to 7.3 is also fine. 8 point. So 1 point is 1,100 loss. But we have already sold 550 call. So that way it's kind of safe. The trade we have hedged because we have a target of 550. But we're going to hedge, we have a trade, we will manage in case there is a on the put on the call side, we will take the SL. But we will watch the levels and trade. No decision at the moment. Sorry. Okay. Super. I think this is a long. Let us see how it was. So let me have a quick grab. I'm actually working on some. Unfortunately, the title for friends. If you kind of understand these levels and would like to learn how to draw these levels one day in advance, how to understand basic concept of liquidity, why, how to understand the data, most importantly, we can even join our trainings. Okay, let's see, open interest. Let me show you what actually, how was the open interest before opening. Huge buildup was there. Plus 17th, okay. Says 330. Why? Okay. 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 I think let us see. Friday. It is not giving. Okay, it will show. See, there was huge buildup of uh, put side. See, there was huge put writers. 24,300, 24,350. All these writers are gone, put writers. Market simply took off all the liquidity. Now see, again the put writer is increasing at 24,300. So somehow he feels. So basically they want to support 24,300 above. So market will has to go above 24,300, at least 350, 340 for this put writer to cover his loss. They were increasing now. They are allowing, it's just pushing it down. I'm expecting this call side to probably. So he would have done with the hedger. Okay. Put writer, for example, put 24,300 put. Okay. Where it shorted? Just see. It had shorted here. Correct. 14, he shorted here or maybe here or maybe even here, but correct, or even here, because we see this word, no, he's made 50, 55, he started coming at 35, he's made a profit, 20 points profit, he started covering now. So he is going on adding now. It maybe at this level he expected it to fall, he adding, he's going to add maybe a more at this level. Let us see. By tomorrow, of course, this has to come down, same level, or maybe even lower. We never know. And for sure, he'll start writing this call at this level. Or maybe he's writing 300 call, no? So big game is going on, friends. We have to understand and trade. Uh, I hope this trade was good enough for you to make some profit, decent profit. And if you're keen to understand, learn, and make more money, please do join. We will definitely help you understand how to mark these levels and all that based on OI. Okay, I'll leave this for some time. I will have a little bit of a call. Superb trader. Oh, there's no doubt in when we take these levels when we I should easily make profit out of this. Next time this call will definitely try to reach 84.86. Just holding somehow. Yeah, this will definitely hit. See the way price wants to do this target. The spot level is already done. I'm not very sure whether the market wants to go below this and try for 24,200. The way market is going, I think 24,200 also possible. Okay, I have marked the levels. Okay, let's see if it works. It's good. If it doesn't, see what can be done. I have a feeling this is going to. See the way market is going for the next level. Okay, this I told you guys, but look at what I have shared to my subscribers. It's card. Okay, 210. Okay, yes, it is going for 210. See, simple. Uh, our this thing is not admit, right? Put sorry, call. Okay, so okay. So what did I tell you? Put is going for the next target. How was the trade, guys? This is called accuracy. What did I mention? 250 done. Next going for 210. Simple. Friends, this type of a trade, I am sure one trade per day is hell lot of money. I'll also show you what is the 65 cross 93 here. But I didn't want to keep this target because okay friends, I think my side I have done. So I hope you guys are enjoying this trade. So see this here. If you see the cell level, so I will remove this because these are levels actually, not exactly cell level. So anyways, so our target is done. I think we should time for that. You all should celebrate and enjoy the day. Of course, my HDFC Life trade is still going on because this is the trade of HDFC Life. Let me show. HDFC Life. See, trading, you don't need to hurry and trade. Disciplined. Well, okay. Anyway, it's very important. Okay. So we are still, of course, waiting for this call to hit our target. So how these writers are gone? We explained how these put writers are going to have to cover up. Now see where are they? All the put writers are gone, right? All these put writers now have gone, right? There was huge put writers. Where are they now? All gone. They have taken SL hits. See, call writers are getting, in fact increasing. So market is very easy to understand and trade provided you have proper understanding of the charts OI data. These levels are, of course, a little bit of other analysis can be added, your own strategies, whatever you want, and of course, trade. So we have also developed one strategy for trading CAS. Okay, trading CAS, that's the closing auction strategy. We shall deploy after trades. So we did some trades. We have back tested and not back tested. We couldn't do, of course. So beautifully, our analysis has worked. See, what did I say? Call. What was I saying on HDFC Live call? So somebody was asking me about crude. Let's see. Crude oil, which is crude oil futures. Okay. Seven, 8, 9, 0. Let me mark this levels. So very important levels for me. Crude. Okay. Currently it's on the sell side. Okay. Let's see what we get here on crude oil futures. 7,900. We'll see. Today is the expiry. Huh? Oh, look at IDFC Life. I told you this is a clear buy. Okay. Crude oil. 7,900 put. 7,900. Right. Crude oil. 7,900 is what I'm looking at. 7,900 put. Okay. 7,900 put crude oil I'm looking at. Okay, I want to see the entry level. Wait, 50 call, we can see. Well, BTC options we can start trading, I think, with this strategy. We'll see. Right now, I want to focus on few, not take too many things into the head and okay. See, okay, okay, so, okay. This 107. Okay, so we'll just so these are the levels. Okay, first will be somewhere here, second here. We'll look to buy target somewhere out. Uh, we can look up to one. Sorry, 209. Okay, let us see. Yeah, we can look up to 180 to 290. So this will be the target. Okay, this is crude. Huh? So you can watch See, I didn't mark this, huh? This has come by itself. 7890 here. Can you see here? Top 7890 put, sorry, sell side. So that is what I marked. I had to mark it exact 7890. Okay, it has marked 7890. And then this is the buy level. Okay. Or next level. So is this I am looking at buying put. These are my two levels. Okay. Obviously, because this level is going to be tested, no? So we'll watch what happens. Then we'll decide. So why I came to crude is many do trade on crude gold. Let's look at gold. Gold is too much of pain actually. Okay, so awesome. Guys, look at HDFC live. If I added HDFC live, you guys are enjoying tonight. As we mentioned, this was the next level to buy. It just came here. This I was in fact thinking of putting it here, but it's okay. That's fine. So okay, 0.9. So keep a watch. What happens to that? So some members have pinged me saying that sir, can we buy call now? Still no. So waiting for our level. That there's a live trade going on. Live. I'm not looking at Nifty call at that moment. True trade also levels shared. Two levels have been shared. Crude has opened gap up. Okay. So many are bullish. But as per our levels, we are bearish. Let's see. Call side, this is the level. Yes. Silver. Okay. This is not a time to, I think, buy silver. Not a good time. But let's see. Hey, go. Not sure. Also look at silver has still lower levels to go, I think. Let's see. Rather see how do I share a view? This is still on the sell side. Silver is still on the sell side, sir. So it's still 1,21,000 was the high. Now how many went and bought at this level? Everybody is trapped at this level. Current Dow is showing upside, W, all those. we may start seeing selling again here. So accumulation for long term, maybe yes, this was a good areas. Yeah, now we can start accumulating. Look at the gold also. Okay, let's see. SMG, XAG, USD. See, since it is at the bottom, I think we should slowly start accumulating. But yeah, at the moment it is going to be in this range. There's a chance it may come back to 62 and then again maybe take some, or 63 and then 63 and then maybe a bit of bounce. So I've drawn this important level in silver ounce. Sorry. Slightly not very, I'm not in for a intraday buy. Okay. Well, let's back to our. I'll do a bit more research and come back on this. Okay. Um, so we have shared our view on crude buy level. So please take care of what you need to do. Good entry level. The other thing is, okay, let's see. They say life is crying. That's right. I'm just checking if work call is a good buy. Actually, this is a good time to buy. Hmm. Look at the way flattish. Look at this level and then how it is getting rejected. And this level, major reaction. Can you see this candle? See, the OI data is very powerful. We need to know how to interpret. OI data alone doesn't work. Big players का data थोड़ा you have to see. So how do we know which player is traded in why? Correct. So that's a challenge. Currently, it is Nifty Beast. I think we should start look at adding 23,800, 24,000. Not really in for silver and gold, but yeah, long term maybe you can think of. Okay. And now Nifty Bs are good. So this put has to, people are buying call. What is happening? Nothing. I will look to buy at around 23. Exact which is 23. Now, see here 24.5. Okay. Let's look at Nifty Bs and Nifty Silver Bs. Nifty Bs and the Silver Bs. Bank Bs, the Silver Bs. Silver, of course, is moving. Sure should be moving up. So maybe yeah, we can buy. I think this is a time to buy Bank Bs. I feel. Nifty Bs and Bank Bs both are going down. What do you do? Just checking the fall, how much it has fallen. 360 went down low as 160. Okay. Hmm. Now, well, let's see what happened to our crude put. It's good trade. 108 to 122 crude put. So, just tell me what I think. 7,900 P. 108 to 130 now. Okay. Okay. Put give call given a buy. No. Mm-hmm. Put given a buy. Let's add in. It got to have remove these two. Add 23 Nifty 24 250. Okay. All put. 24 250 call can be bought. Right. 69. Let's watch this. 24 250 call. Okay. And 24 250 CE. Okay, let's wait and watch. Why to hurry? We keep a small SL and trade. Simple. We need to kind of what do you say, cry. I think we'll wait for the call trade. Though if you want, you can take and trial, but I think I will wait for this trade. Because premium may kill. That's the worry. Wow. Seriously, that's a good trade. And ADFC Life is also a good trade, huh? Okay. Just watch this trade. 54 250 call. Okay. It should slowly pump up now. Look at our crude trade. Rocking. Hmm. Want to watch how this call trade works. How far from 69.70 it has come to 75. Okay. Not much of a big trade or target profit I'm expecting. So we'll trail the stop loss. We'll break off 77 will book off. Yeah, 77 or 78 will book off. Should be fine. Okay, 140 and then down. That's fine. I mean, if you're booked also fine. Let's see. This is all management of money. It's not about every trade has to hit 100, 200 points as since you feel so. So we'll come back later after 2 o'clock. After 2 o'clock, I think we shall come. See what happens to the call trades also.